team's using the timing system option to run their meets with either a plunger system or touchpads will need to go through a couple of steps to set up their Meet Manager software. This will be a feature that needs to be ordered as an add-on to your existing Meet Manager software, as it is not a standard feature that comes with the software. Once you've ordered it, you'll need to configure your Meet Manager software to the computer system or timing system that you'll be using. There are two primary systems that ASA teams will use. One of them is the Omega Aries 21 system. The other one is the IST timing system. To set up your Meet for your timing equipment, go to Setup and select Timing Console Interface. Once you've done that, go in and select the timing system you'll be using for your Meet. And if you're using Omega equipment, it's very likely you'll have a timing operator that'll be able to give you the specifics of which system you'll be using, whether it's Omega Aries 21 bidirectional or Omega OSM 6 Aries 21. The other one will be generic network file sharing for IST. So again, select the system you'll be using, select OK, and now your software is configured to use that timing equipment. Once that's done, you'll need to go to the Run menu, and the other step you'll need to take will be under Interfaces and then Timer, and in a lot of cases you'll need to open or close the serial port, and in some cases you'll need to download the events to your operator. Your timing equipment in most cases will have the directions to do this, but this will give you an idea on how to set this up for your computer. Once you've done that, as you're operating during the Meet, the process of getting times is very easy. Once everything is configured and set up correctly, you simply go to the event you're using. When the event is complete and that heat is done, you simply go to Get Times, the F3 button. If you click that, the times will automatically be imported into your Meet Manager software without having to put anything in. It's very simple. Once it's pulled in, you're ready to move to the next heat.